Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to put a password on a file in File Explorer. Okay, now for example, let's do this file right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on this, and then you just need to right click this. Okay, click on Properties, and then there is an option right here that says Advanced. Go ahead and click on this, and then you want to click on Encrypt Content to secure the data. So when we encrypt this, okay, if I toggle this one on, if this is encrypted, I press OK. Make sure you click on Apply. Okay, then we will encrypt the file only. So I'll click on OK, and there we go. You will see a yellow lock on the file. So this file is now encrypted, and it can only be opened on your PC by your account. Okay, the account is currently logged in. That's the only one that has the decryption key. So if you can get rid of this, really easy and simple, you just right click on this, file ownership, you can click on this one, toggle this, and then that goes away. Another method, if you want to password protect something, for example, a PDF, right? Just want to search, I love PDF, password protect, and then here we will drag and drop our PDF. Let's say this one right here. So I'll drag and drop. Okay. I'll type in a password, test 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then I'll repeat this password. Okay. Now click on protect PDF. It's going to start uploading this file. So this way, even if someone accesses the file through your PC using your account, they'll still be asked for a password. So you can use tools like these to protect specific files. So this one is for a PDF. It's just an example. You can also password protect Word documents. I'll also show you how to do that. It's not an issue. So it's currently uploading, so we'll just wait for it to be done. All right, there we go. Now I can just close this and download the protected PDF. So if I go ahead and try to open this one, it will ask me for a password. Then I just type in the password, click on submit, and there you go. I can view the PDF. Now let me show you how to do this for a Word document. So here we go. I opened up a Word document. Come here at the top, left click on File, right here, and then I want you to click on this option, Protect Document, then click on Encrypt with Password. Now, you just need to type in the password you want. So I'll just do test 1, 2, 3. Click on OK. You have to re-enter the password again. Test 1, 2, 3. OK, there we go. And now a password is required to open this document. What you need to do though is you need to go ahead and save. Okay, save it. Make sure you save it, otherwise the password will not apply. Now you can go ahead and close this. Okay. All right, now go ahead and open up the Word document and show you. All right, here we go. Here's the Word document. So let's just go ahead and click on this, and it should prompt me for a password. Just enter in the password, test 1, 2, 3. Click on OK. And here we go. The file is currently opening up. There we go. You can see the file. You repeat the same process for other documents. You can do this for Excel files, PowerPoints, you name it. And it's truly that easy and simple.